Hello viewers, today's video is to commemorate the NYSC program in Nigeria. The NYSC stands for the National Youth Service Corps. This program was designed by the Nigeria government for nation building, community development, and also for national integration. Okay, and this program is also eligible for students within the age of 30 or less than 30 that have just concluded their BSc, BTech, or any qualification in that range. By God's grace, I just concluded mine some days ago, which was on the 2nd of February 2023. Okay, so I want to thank God for life and for every other thing He's doing for me. And also I want to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for the sponsorship. And I'm so happy to have it here. So I do not only want to talk to you about NYSC, I also have some math stuff to do today with you on inequalities. I have some questions here to solve with you. So stay with me to the end of the video and I know you enjoy it. So let us dive into the question right now. Okay, I have about 6 questions here to solve with you. So question number 1 is 5 minus 2x is less than or equal to x minus 1. So in this inequality, we want to find the value of x. The first thing we want to do is to collect like terms. So I want to take this guy to this side of the inequality. So I will also take this guy to this side of the inequality. So I have here minus 2x. Now this guy coming over here becomes minus x because it's positive here. So when it comes over here, it becomes negative. So I have less than minus 1. And this one that is 5 here, when it comes over, it becomes minus 5 because it is positive right here. So negative 2x, negative x is going to give me negative 3x, less than or equal to negative 6. So you want to divide both sides by a negative number. So I want to divide both sides by negative 3. So take note, when you divide both sides by a negative number, the inequality will alternate. So here it becomes greater than or equal to negative 6 over negative 3. So this guy cancels out. So x is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, very simple. So that's our first question for the day. So our second question is 8x minus 5 is less than or equal to 6x plus 7. Okay, so this is just something like this we just treated. So you want to collect like terms. You want to take this guy to this side of the equality and this guy to the other side of the inequality. So we have 8x. When this guy comes over, it becomes negative 6x less than or equal to 7. And when this guy go over to this side, it becomes positive 5, right? So 8x minus 6x is going to give me 2x less than or equal to 7 plus 5 will give me 12, okay? Now you want to divide both sides by a positive number, so the inequality will not change. So you divide both sides by 2, this guy cancels out, so x is less than or equal to 6. Wow, very simple. So let me take out some questions from here, okay? So question number 3, it says 7x minus 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. Oh, that's the question we have here. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the bracket. You use this guy to open up the bracket. Actually, there's an invisible 1 here, so you use minus 1 to distribute into this parentheses. So we have 7x minus 1 times 5x is going to give me minus 5x, and minus 1 times minus 3 is going to give me positive 3 greater than or equal to 9. And the next thing you want to do is to collect like terms. You take positive 3 to the other side, it becomes negative 3. So you have 7x minus 5x is greater than or equal to 9 minus 3. And 7x minus 5x will give me 2x greater than or equal to 9 minus 3, of course, is 6. And you want to divide both sides by a positive number, so the inequality will not change. So you divide both sides by 2, this guy will cancel out, so x is greater than or equal to 3. Wow, question number 3. So let us do question number 4. So let me take off these guys from here. Question number 4 says p plus 2 is less than 96 minus p. Okay, same thing, you want to collect like terms here. You want to bring this negative p to this side. So we have p, when this guy comes over, it becomes plus p, less than 96. When this guy go over, it becomes negative 2, okay? Because it was positive right here. So p plus p is going to give me 2p less than 96 minus 2 is going to give me 94. And of course, you want to divide both sides with a positive number, so the inequality will not change. Divide both sides by 2. This guy cancels out this guy. So p is less than 2 in 9 will give me 4 remainder 1, and 2 in 14 is 7. So P is less than 47. That's question number 4. So question number 5. Question number 5 says 2 into x plus 4 is greater than 3 into x minus 1. Now in this case, you want to distribute with 2 here and with 3 right here. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is going to give me 8, greater than 3 times s is 3x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So you want to collect like terms here. Take this guy to this side and take this guy to this side. So you have 2x. When this guy comes over here, it becomes negative 3x greater than minus 3. This guy go over here, it becomes negative 8. So 2x minus 3 is going to give me negative x greater than negative 3, negative 8 is going to give me negative 11, right? Okay, so now you want to divide both sides by a negative number, which is negative 1 right here. So you divide both sides by negative 1, which is the coefficient of x is negative 1, okay? So the inequality will change from greater than to what? To less than. So this guy will cancel out this guy, so you have x. This guy will cancel out this guy, so you have 11. So x is less than 11. So the last question on our list is question number 6. Question number 6 says you have 3x plus 4 into bracket x minus 3 greater than x minus 6. Wow, this one is very simple. And the first thing you want to do is to remove the bracket. Use 4 to open up the bracket. So you have 3x, 4 times x will give me 4x, and 4 times negative 3 is going to give me negative 12, greater than x minus 6. Right here, you want to collect like terms. So you bring up this guy to this side and this guy over to this side. So you have 3x plus 4x, then minus x greater than negative 6 here. But this guy go over to the side, becomes positive 12, right? No problem. So 3x plus 4x will give me 7x. 7x minus s will give me 6x greater than, and minus 6 plus 12 is going to give me 6, right? So you want to divide both sides by 6, which is a positive number, so the inequality will not change. This guy will cancel out this guy, and s is greater than 1. So viewers, this is the end of today's problem on inequality. If you love what we do, and if you want me to talk to you more about NYSC, put it down in the comment section. I love you, and bye. God bless you.